In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and save tab group in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To create a tab group on Google Chrome, first you open Google Chrome browser and choose some window which you want to add on your Google tab. After opening a website, you right click on it and select Add tab to new group. Now you need to type your tab name. Google Chrome also allows you to customize your tab group. Let's think if you want to change the tab group color, so you can do this from here. Once it's ready, then click on Enter key. But if you want to add other tab in this group, then you need to click on New tab in group and choose the window which you want to add on this tab. Let's think if you want to add google.com on this tab, so you need to type the URL. Then this window will add it on this tab. Let's click on this tab. When you click on this tab, then you will see all the window with open and close by it. Let's think if you want to add another tab on this group, then right click on it. Now you need to hover your mouse on Add tab to group and select the tab. By following this tutorial, you can easily create and save tab in Google Chrome.